Okay, so.
Go.
You want a trash can?
What?
You want a trash can? Put mine.
Pour it out.
This is disgusting.
Yeah.
Dude, it smells spicy.
What? Is it disgusting?
Yeah.
I don't want to puke. I'm getting back. I'm locking myself in the room.
Going in.
Yep.
Dude, this looks like spoiled milk.
Ew, you gotta drink it.
Do it. Come on.
I always puked when I drink mine.
What if I do puke?
Do you puke?
Hey, you puke. It's disgusting. You can't do it. Tonight's day, I just hope did it. I hope found something and jumped it.
No, he didn't do it.
I know, I licked the top. Oh my god.
Is that disgusting?